So we've been talking about anti-gravity drones lately. You know, that 360 drone Insta360 teased last week, the one that looked like it came out of nowhere and got everyone asking, wait, can drones even do that? Well, turns out DJI saw that too, and they've decided it's their turn to shake things up. According to fresh reports, DJI is working on 2 sub-250-gram drones set to launch before the year ends. One of them is most likely the Mini 5 Pro, and if you're curious about that, I've already covered it in a separate video, so feel free to check that out after this. Now, the second drone is where it gets interesting, and I'm not going to stretch this video any longer than it needs to be. Let's just get right into it. Chinese media reports are now pointing to a brand new panoramic drone from DJI. That's what they're calling it, panoramic UAV. It's supposedly designed for full 360-degree video capture and could launch before 2026. The design is said to be compact and integrated, just one clean, solid body. And the camera setup, it might be using the same hardware DJI just rolled out with the Osmo 360, and it has clearly raised the bar for resolution and image quality. We could be looking at 8K 360 video, stabilized with a 3-axis mechanical gimbal. Flight time is expected to hit around 30 minutes with a range of up to 10 kilometers. That's a pretty solid combo for a drone focused on immersive video. Now, are these specs confirmed? Not yet. There aren't many leaks floating around, so we're mostly going off early info. But what's clear is that DJI and Insta360 are definitely stepping on each other's toes. Both want a slice of the same pie. So yeah, DJI's not sitting this one out. It looks like they're getting ready to fight for the 360 drone space, and honestly, it's gonna be really interesting to see how this plays out. That's all for now. If anything new drops, you know, we'll be on it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Catch you in the next one. Peace.